Gas Engineer software is great for connecting office staff with engineers out in the field. In this video, I'll show you a simple workflow that covers the basics of any job completed by a small to medium-sized team. Let's start with the office and imagine a new customer has just rung up. The first thing you'll want to do is add them into your system. The web portal is great for this, and just as a quick tip, you can always use the Create New button anywhere in the software as a shortcut to various things, be it adding a customer, job address, job, or record. But today we're going to take things step by step and start with the Customers tab. The Customers tab contains every customer in your system. To add a new one, click on the Add Customer button and fill out all their details as necessary. You will need at minimum a last name or a company name, but don't forget that you can add any additional notes down here. Once they've been added to your system, you'll need to add a job address. They'll be automatically redirected to their page, and from it, you can click Add Job Address over here. This is the address where work will be carried out and can be different from a customer's address. Once all the details are filled out, click Save. As you can see here, a customer can have several different job addresses, which is especially handy if they're a property management agency or simply manage multiple addresses. The next thing you'll want to do is to add a job. Once you're on the customer's page, you can click the Add Job button in the top right hand corner over here. You'll be prompted to select the job address. If there's more than one, simply select the one where the work is going to be carried out. You can give it a job description, fill out any details here, give it a priority, due date, job status, and reference number. A lot of this information will be useful for engineers out in the field, and they can access it directly from their phone, which we'll see a bit later. Once you're done, click Save. The next thing we need to do is create a calendar event for your engineer. From the job page, click Add Appointment in the top right hand corner. This will redirect you to the calendar, and you can fill out all the details, including the time. Everything else will be auto-populated if you've clicked it from the previous page. You can send an appointment confirmation to your customer by clicking this green button over here, and clicking Save over here will add the appointment to your calendar and send a notification to your engineer's phone. Let's pick up from that notification on a phone, as if we were engineer on the job. It will look something like this. If they click that notification, they'll be redirected to their calendar, but they can also access all the job's info by clicking on the job straight from the calendar. At the bottom, there's a new record button, which they can click to create a gas safety record or anything else. But also from this event details window, they'll be able to see the appointment details, customer details, job address details, and then the job itself. If they were to click on the address on the job details, they'll be able to route directly to the address from either Google or Apple Maps. Once the engineer is finished on site, they can add an activity outcome of the appointment by clicking Edit, and then selecting from one of the options here. They can also edit the status of the job if they were to click on the job here, and then selecting the job status over here.